So here we are using this real leaf and making a cut on the each side in this way, and after this done we are making a cut on the top, a small cut, and putting it in this way. Now using this dry leaf, putting its eyes and making its lips, making its legs. So it's basically a bird standing on the leaf. More bird like that. It's ready. In the next we are using here a green sheet and tearing the one side of the sheet in this way, making more like that, so you will get this thin shape of stem is ready. Just putting it on the proper position. Now using this orange peel and making a circle. Now using the orange peel in the circular shape, more peel like that, and put it all together so it will shape like a pineapple, and making a small cut so it will shape like a flower. And now putting this circular peel in between so it will shape like a flower. More flower like that over the white sheet. Now it's time to make the stem, so we are using here a crayon color, making the leaf. It's ready. In the next we are using here a red and green real leaf, and so we are cutting the red leaf using these branches, making a leaf in this shape and putting it on the branch so it will shape like a cloud. It's ready. In the next we are using here a peanut shell and putting this red color over one, putting the more color like that over the each shell. And after this done, we are here using this clay, so it will helps to hold the peanut shell over the sheet, putting the whole shell over it. It's ready. In the next we are here a bird face, a beautiful bird face over the white sheet and cutting it up. Now we are taking a black sheet, making a line, a green line over the black sheet in this way so it will shape like a leaf. And here we are using a white clay in this way so it will shapes like a feather of the duck. A moving duck in the night is ready. In the next we are using the white sheet and putting the color over it in this way so it will shape like a branch. Now using this clay and putting it over the branch, beautiful flower is ready. Now it's time to put the leaf, a green leaf around it, and it's a flying bird. In the next we are using the white clay that shapes like a flower, more fly like that. Now using the green line so that works like a stem, putting the leaf, a green leaf. We are using the red clay to make the bug. It's ready. In the next we are using here this colorful sheet and making a circle, clearing it up. Now using this shape of the pink sheet over the white and making a stem in between and putting this pink clay in this way as you can see in the video over the stem. Now using the green clay to make the leaf. It's ready. In the next we are here making a branch in another way over the white sheet. So just we are using here a brown color and now putting this yellow clay over it in this way so it will shape like a flower, putting the yellow clay in between, making more like that, using this green clay like that. So it's ready. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.